Have you ever wondered where your favorite gold necklace or diamond ring comes from? Today, we're going on an exclusive tour deep inside a state-of-the-art gold and jewelry factory to uncover the secrets behind these sparkling treasures. Forget what you see in the store display. We're about to witness the entire journey, from raw, unrefined gold to a stunning finished piece of art. It's a world of intense heat, incredible precision, and breathtaking craftsmanship. I promise, after this, you'll never look at jewelry the same way again. Let's head inside. Our journey begins in the design studio. This is where the magic starts. It's not just about sketching pretty pictures, it's a high-tech process. Designers use sophisticated CAD software, that's computer-aided design, to create detailed 3D models of each piece. This allows them to perfect every curve, every angle, and every setting before a single gram of gold is even touched. They can simulate how light will reflect off a diamond, or how a chain will sit on the neck. It's a blend of artistry and engineering. Once the digital design is finalized, it's sent to a 3D printer. But this isn't your average 3D printer. It creates a perfect wax model of the jewelry. This wax prototype is the blueprint for everything that follows. Next up, we're heading to the casting department, and things are about to get hot. This is where those wax models from the design studio are put to use in a process called lost wax casting, a technique that's thousands of years old but perfected with modern technology. First, the wax models are attached to a central wax stem, creating what looks like a small tree. This tree is then placed inside a metal flask and surrounded by a special plaster-like material called investment. Once the investment hardens, the entire flask is put into a furnace. The heat melts the wax away completely, leaving behind a perfectly hollow mold in the shape of the jewelry tree. This is the lost wax part of the name. Now for the main event, the gold pour. The factory works with gold in its purest forms, often mixed with alloys like copper, silver, or palladium, to create different carats and colors like yellow, white, or rose gold. The gold alloy is melted in a crucible at temperatures over 1000 degrees Celsius. It's an incredible sight, glowing, molten liquid metal. This molten gold is then carefully poured into the preheated investment mold. It fills every tiny space left by the melted wax. It's a high-stakes, precision-driven process. Any mistake here, and the whole batch could be ruined. After the gold is poured, the mold is cooled, and the investment material is broken away, revealing the rough gold casting, our jewelry in its most basic form. From the intense heat of casting, we move to the finishing and assembly area. This is where raw metal starts to look like actual jewelry. The gold pieces are clipped from the central stem of the casting tree. At this stage, they're still rough, with a dull finish and visible seams. This is where the skilled hands of goldsmiths take over. They use a variety of tools, from files and sandpapers to high-speed polishing wheels to smooth out every surface. This process, called finishing, is incredibly detailed. The artisans must be careful not to remove too much metal or alter the design's delicate features. It's a meticulous task that requires years of training and a very steady hand. Once the pieces are polished, they move on to assembly. If it's a necklace, the individual links are connected. If it's a ring with a stone, this is where the stone setting happens. We're now in the gem setting department, a place that truly sparkles. Here, highly specialized setters use microscopes and tiny, precise tools to secure diamonds and other gemstones into the gold settings. There are many ways to set a stone, like prong, bezel, or pavé settings, each requiring a different technique. The setter's job is not just to secure the stone, but to maximize its brilliance by ensuring it catches the light perfectly. This is arguably the most nerve-wracking part of the process. One slip of the hand could chip a priceless diamond or damage the gold setting. After the stones are set, the jewelry undergoes its final and most important check, quality control. Every single piece is inspected under magnification. The inspectors check for any imperfections, scratches, loose stones, weak clasps, or polishing errors. They ensure the piece matches the original design specifications down to the micrometer. They also verify the gold's carat and stamp it with a hallmark, a mark of authenticity that guarantees its purity. Only the pieces that pass this rigorous inspection are deemed ready for the customer. Anything less than perfect is sent back to be corrected or, in some cases, completely remelted and started over. The commitment to quality here is absolute. Finally, after passing quality control, the jewelry goes through one last cleaning and polishing cycle to give it that dazzling showroom shine. They are often cleaned using ultrasonic baths that use sound waves to remove any remaining dust or polishing compounds, followed by a steam clean for that extra sparkle. Then each piece is carefully placed in its own beautiful box, ready to be shipped to stores or directly to a customer. It is amazing to think that this shiny ring or delicate bracelet started as a digital file and a lump of raw gold. From a computer screen to a furnace, through the hands of countless artisans, it's a journey of transformation. So the next time you put on a piece of gold jewelry, take a moment to appreciate the incredible journey it has been on. It's not just a beautiful object. It's a product of creativity, technology, and immense skill. It's a small piece of art that carries the story of its creation. What an incredible process, right? The fusion of ancient techniques and cutting-edge technology is truly fascinating. I hope you enjoyed this behind-the-scenes look at how gold jewelry is made. Let me know in the comments what part of the process surprised you the most. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more exclusive factory tours. See you in the next video.